So let's look at part 2. It is given that instead that the volume model is 200 cubic centimeters and external surface area is 180 cm square. So the two possible values of R is this. Okay, I think this has nothing to do with maximum and minimum now. So we need to show the volume will be, we know that the volume is 200, which is pi R square H plus half 4/3 pi R cube. The surface area, total surface area, which we found just now, surface area 100 centimeters square would be actually pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus half of 4 pi r square. That would be the surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so now we just need to solve this simultaneously because we have two unknowns here. Okay, so this case here, what I'm gonna do is actually just gonna take out the 200. Make H a subject. I think H is the easiest to make it a subject, right? Here too. There you go. So that will be pi r square H equals to 200 minus 2/3 pi r cube. So H will just be 200 minus r cube divided by pi r square. In this case here, I'm going to take 1, sub into the second one. So 180, that will be 180 equals to pi r square plus 2 pi r h, which is 200 minus 2/3 pi r cube over pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Right, that's about it. So cancel it out. Give r. In this case here, what is left behind is essentially 180 3 pi r square plus 400 that pi cube divided by, okay, may put this as 400 minus 4/3 cube divided by r. Okay, that's about it. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just multiply each of these by r. And then what I'll get is essentially 180 r equals to 3 pi r cube plus 400 minus 4/3 r cube. Okay, maybe could have multiplied by 3, but okay. This case here, so this case what we get is essentially 5/3 pi r cube minus 180 r plus 400. So from here, what I need to do is actually just key in GC. So this is go to apps and simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation solver. Then we have 3, 1. Sorry, it's not simultaneous. It's polynomial root finder. 3. Then we just key this 5 pi over 3. The x. Then the second one will be 0. Then that will be negative. This put is minus 180 and plus 400. Then we'll solve it. We'll get from GC r is equals to, because it didn't ask for exact, so this is negative 6.7587 r. So these are the three roots. Obviously you reject this. This is rejected as r is bigger than 0. So hence r is equals to 3.7215 cm or 3.0372 cm shown. Okay, r has two possible values. Okay, then after which we need to find out R has two possible values, right? Shown two possible values. Then given that R is less than H, find the value of R and the value of H. So we just need to find out. So when R, so using this formula here, H is equals to. So what you do is when R equals to 3.7215, then using this formula, H is equals to, just key in calculator, 200 minus 2/3. Just key in here. This would be 2.1156. Then when R is equals to the other one, then this case here will be 4.8765. Okay, so since we are given that R is less than H, so since hence we need to pick the one which R is lesser than H. So this will be the case. So hence thus R equals to 3.04 cm and H equals to 4.89 cm. 3SF. Okay. Yeah. So that's how you do this question here proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please do let us know. And I'll see you in the next question.